Our Walmart order just delivered. I will be sharing our meal plan from Aldi's groceries. We will have a second trip, one to Aldi, that is going to cover our Super Bowl food because we'll have a party this weekend. But this is the groceries for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll tell you what we have here. We have 2 carts of cherry tomatoes. I got 2 russet potatoes, 2 apples, a bag of onions, 12 more eggs. We got some fresh spinach, 4 avocados, riced cauliflower. This is the frozen. And then my son wanted these cafe steamers, the beef teriyaki, and a lean cuisine macaroni and cheese. I got 2 bags of tricolor coleslaw. You know, we get that every week with the grass-fed ground beef. I got 3 bananas, a cucumber, some salted butter, some Jimmy Dean sausage, some sharp cheddar cheese, the 3 pepper pack here, the red and orange, some half and half. We get this every week for our coffee. Some sweet cherry peppers. My husband and son love those. We needed more Worcestershire sauce, and we needed some more beef broth that I'm going to use for our wonton recipe. Some tomato sauce. This has basil, garlic, and oregano in it, and some roasted garlic pizza sauce that we're going to be whipping up some pizzas. I'm making my own sourdough pizza dough. I got this 4-pack of the sweet Hawaiian rolls, which will actually go with the beef broth as well, and this sliced Swiss cheese because I have some roast beef that I'm going to make some sliders with. I got a package of mozzarella cheese shredded, and I also got some turkey sausages. I like these frozen kind. They go really well with my breakfast in the morning. And we also have that Jimmy Dean regular sausage that my husband likes to use. We got a package of smoked bacon and more cheese, sliced Munster for my son. Over here we have our proteins. We have our breast tenderloins. We get this just about every week. My son and husband love this as their protein on salads and everything for the week. So picked up a big package of that along with some chicken thighs, the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And also we got some Mission flour tortillas, the burrito size. That was a request by my son. And then just some paper items, some paper bowls and paper plates, and some cling wrap that we needed. So that is everything. That is our Walmart haul. I'm now going to share with you the Aldi haul and all the things we have planned for the week for our meals and menu. Oh, but before we do, I forgot to share the total. The grand total on all these groceries was $108.37. So that's the total on everything. Now let's go ahead and get into our Aldi haul. All right, this is our Aldi haul. I'm going to go through everything. I will tell you right away, we did go over the budget, and that is because of game day food, which I was expecting. And also I did purchase some things that we're planning for the next week, thinking ahead. So I'm going to go through everything and then we'll get to that menu board. So let's start over here. We've got some more Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts, so every time I see them, I just have to get them. We got another chopped kit. This one is the Southwest chopped salad kit. And then my husband and son are going to be making stew. They love stew. So that includes these celery and carrots and some other ingredients. We're eating more salads lately, so another head of lettuce, as well as some more fresh mushrooms, then some raspberries for some fresh fruit. And this also goes in their stew. This is the butternut squash. More ground beef, and I got some cilantro for game day for the dip, guacamole. Turkey breast, that's for our sliders. And then this also, the buffalo style chicken breast deli meat for our sliders for game day. Got some stew meat, of course that's for stew. And that's for all those vegetables. Got the uncured bacon this time, so we could have some bacon. Pork egg rolls. I always hear everybody rave about these. These are really good, so I got a package of those. All right, crab wonton dip. I did get this dip because we have some wontons left, and I wanted to just make a real simple, throw it in the wonton and make little wonton cups, so that would be really good in it. Easy appetizer. More cheese, medium cheddar. This is to go on the sliders. Chicken wings. You can't have game day without chicken wings. I found these free range. Now these are chicken whole wings, so I don't think I'll break them down. I think I'm going to leave them as is. But anyway, these are the whole wings, and got 2 packages of that for game day. More cheese. I got a lot of cheese this time. Swiss and Gruyere, thinking for the sliders, but then also the medium cheddars for the sliders. Mexican style cheese for our dip. Got some mozzarella cheese for our meatballs. Brie, that's actually thinking ahead. I think that's going to be for next week maybe. And then this cheese, just to throw out there, is a smooth and creamy
Montemore cheddar cheese. So got that, a gourmet cheese. 2 things of the beef smoked sausage. Gonna make barbecue sausages, little pieces. Italian style meatballs. I'm gonna be making a meatball empanada with the mozzarella cheese. Okay, so that's all the protein, but there's more. So we have chips. You need chips. I got the Hint of Lime tortilla chips to go with our dips. And sliders. You need the Hawaiian rolls. So I got the Hawaiian sweet rolls. I got some more little, these are the little baby potatoes. Really like these bite-sized potatoes. Refried beans for our dip, as well as salsa for our dip. I got some Parmesan garlic dressing, actually wing sauce. This will possibly be the sauce, but I'm definitely going to do buffalo as well. So maybe both, do both kinds. We need more ranch. We got the garlic ranch. This was a kind of a feature buy because they don't usually have this. This is the organic garlic ranch dressing. They had these new 90-second, they had a multiple of flavors, but I got this Bang Bang. I like this. It's with coconut, garlic, and ginger. It's really good. Sounds really good. All right, back to here, pistachios. When we get these from Walmart, we get a huge bag, but they're like $10. This is a smaller bag, of course, but definitely less on the cost. So this is what my son loves to put in his salad. So I got him some deshelled pistachios. Some more ranch dressing for our dips and stuff. And then I got some chewy fudgy brownie mix. Not sure if that'll be for game day or for soup group, but I did get the brownie mix, the chewy, and then some butterscotch morsels. That is gonna either be butterscotch brownies, or I'm not really sure. I was kind of not really sure yet, but that's what I'm thinking for the future. And then speaking of the future, soup group is coming up, and I have an idea for a soup, and I wanted to get these. I saw them in the flyer, faux noodles. These are, I got 3 packages because I'm feeding the soup group, so there's 4 of us all together, and then the faux broth. So I am really looking forward to making this, thinking about whipping that up for soup group. So you'll see that in a later video. But anyway, that's why I'm thinking ahead. And then I also got these disposable pans. Okay, so lots of stuff. Game day, more food for the week. Also thinking about future soup group. So that's everything. That's our haul. I'll put up here on the total of what we spent and the grand total of everything.
We did go over our $150 budget. However, we did spend for the Super Bowl and we did spend for the future. So I'm hoping in those weeks we will cut back and get back on budget. All right, let's show you the menu for the week.
All right, here's our whiteboard with our meals for the week. This is the plan, pork carnitas. That is that quick instant meal from Aldi. I'm gonna pair that with a salad kit. We have meatloaves and potatoes with asparagus, and I'm gonna top those with tomatoes and cheese, planned for another night. I'm hoping to use the spinach and the rosemary, but we'll see. Roast beef and cheese paninis with cucumber salad. Chicken thighs in a crock pot, not sure what sauce yet. And if I can't decide, it'll end up being chicken curry with our heavy whipping cream and some of our spices. And then stew, the boys really want stew, so they'll have that and they'll make that. They really enjoy it, so they'll make the stew with all those ingredients I mentioned. And then wonton stir fry. I have the frozen bag of wontons and some fresh bok choy to use up, so we'll probably do that. And then it's Super Bowl. So Super Bowl's all about the appetizers and the snacks. So here is my Super Bowl menu: 7-layer dip, empanada meatballs, wings, maybe 2 flavors, if not, definitely buffalo. Wontons, I don't know. I might have to, take something off the menu. This is kind of getting a big menu, but wontons with that crab rangoon dip. And then the barbecue sausage bites, football brownies, and sliders. So we'll see. So that's the plan, Super Bowl. Use up cucumbers, parsley and rosemary, tomatoes, some coconut milk left, and spinach and ground pork. So that is the plan. That is what we're thinking this week. Hoping for another great week. Go Chiefs.
I'd love for you to leave a comment below letting me know if any of these recipes you want to see on future videos. Also, if you're whipping up anything on game day, let me know what exciting appetizers and snacks you're whipping up. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next video.